Hi folks, welcome back. Just a wee quick video today. As you can see, is the visor off the big van. Got some stone chips, and obviously the water's got in behind the lacquer. Lacquer became brittle and cracked, so it looks a mess, so it's coming off to be sorted out. So as you can see, the actual stickers are stuck to the lacquer, so obviously the lacquer's coming off, stickers coming off, so I'll need to get new stickers made up for it as well. And my modified van owners club stickers, and my One Life Live It. So yeah, I'll just stick it on fast forward. There's no point in boring you to death with pulling stickers off and sanded down the front visor. Anyway, as you can see, there's a big metal bar behind it, which is actually what gives it its strength and fixes it to the van, the bracket either side of the windscreen. It's amazing how different the van looks with you get used to seeing it all the time. It's the van just looks bare now. Anyway, as I say, we'll get it wiped off, get the stickers off it, get the lacquer off it, give it a sand ready for painting, and I'll give it a paint. And so yeah, as you can see round about, there's I'm nowhere near finished in the garage. I've just been so busy at work. It's getting there, I've got my shelves up and stuff, and I'll give you a wee tour at the end, and let's see how we're getting on with it. But I've just been busy at work. Can't get hold of the rubbish guy. He was supposed to come last week and do it, but I was up in Scotland for a wedding, so I was away for the weekend. So that's all the stickers off it. Get the sander on it. Just take any blemishes and just scuff it up ready for paint. Sim been mithering me again, wants me to take him out. They were hopeful. So he's sitting by the back door now. Think he wants it. So anyway, I had a wee pause there and I went and took him out, so anyway, just line up at the door now. Oh, Kevin. So anyway, gave it just a wee bit flat off, and then as you've probably seen the legs there, Kevin's came in, so we have a brew and sort it out, so I'll finish it another day. But as I say, that's all the stickers off. It's roughed up a bit. A wee quick, there you go, got my Scotland flag up, got all the other wee bits and pieces on the wall, a little V-dub badges, and you see I've got my shelves done. Still got stuff to put on them. Another V-dub badge up at the top of the shelves there. Doors painted. Lock on. I might finish painting that bit of wall there, but I'm still unsure what to do there. I might be putting something on there. I need to find somewhere for this ladder, and I've got most of the junk off the bench. Well, as you can see, the Mini still sits in the same position. So yeah, as you see, big pile of rubbish, so I'll get the rubbish man, as I say, hopefully get to him this week now and get rid of it, and then it's decide whether I want to do the floor or not. But anyway, that was it. really, just as I say, a wee quickie. So I hope you enjoyed it. Thanks for watching. Catch you later.